High impact workouts that have you jumping like this can be really hard on your joints. In fact, if you do them wrong, you can be smashing your joints over and over again, and it'll make your body feel pretty bad. But lucky for you, we've got a simple 10-minute low impact workout that's going to make your body feel amazing. Now, this workout routine will only take you 10 minutes, and it features 3 movements which mirror high impact movements that actually have a lot of benefit for your body if your joints are healthy and if you're moving well. But most people's joints, they don't really feel all that great, and they don't actually move that well. So it's really important to practice movements like these that mimic high impact movements, but don't actually create impact on your joints, so you can get all the benefits and none of the drawbacks. So here's how this is going to work. I'm going to take you through each one of these 3 movements to teach you how to do each one with perfect form. Then I'm going to give you a 10-minute follow-along routine that you can do from the comfort of your own home whenever you want an incredible workout that will make your body feel amazing. Let's get started. The jumping jack is one of the best high-impact movements for your body. But, like I said, most people can't do it. So we're going to do a movement called the step jack. And how this movement works is we're going to mirror the same movement, only remove the impact and teach our bodies how to move much better. So to start, you're going to bring your feet right underneath your hips with your toes pointed straight forward. Bring your hands down to your sides like this. Now, as you step out, you're going to bring your arms overhead, and I want you to pay attention to which direction your thumbs are facing. If your palms are forward or if your thumbs are forward like this, that's not a good position for your shoulders. We want to make sure we have the thumbs pointed backwards or backwards at an angle like this to make sure your shoulders are in a good position, okay? Now we're going to bring our legs together on the opposite side and bring our hands back down like this. And I want to find a good breathing rhythm here where we inhale as we step out and we exhale as we step together. Now, one more thing that people do wrong in the jumping jack is as they land, their knees tend to cave inward like this, which can cause a lot of damage to the knees, the ankles, the hips, and even the lower back. So as you step out, what we want to do is this. We want to step out and have your toes slightly turned outward and your knees pointed the same direction as your toes. Then as we bring our feet together and our arms back down, we bring our toes straight forward again. So it's push out, slight turn from the toes, bring your feet together, bring your arms together, and that's how we do the step jack with perfect form. So make sure you practice this before we get started with the follow-along workout so you know how to do it with perfect form. The jump squat is another fantastic high-impact move. But again, you're going to hurt yourself if you don't do it right. But the move that mirrors the jump squat is called the fully extended sit to stand. So what we're going to do is sit down into a chair, stand back up, and then we're going to fully extend the toes and the hips at the same time. So let's do it in reverse order to make sure you know how to do it with perfect form. To start, you're going to stand in front of a chair with your toes slightly turned outward and your feet slightly outside of hip width. Now, the first thing we want to do before we do this movement isn't to bend the knees forward like this. It's to push the butt back and shift the weight to the heels like this, okay? That's going to start setting us up to hinge through the hips rather than bend through the knee, which is going to feel a lot better on the body, okay? So push the butt back, weight on the heels. You can bring your arms out in front for support. Come down slowly until you feel a nice stretch on your hamstrings and your glutes while you maintain that front bend, but keep a nice flat back, all right? No rounding the back like this. Now from there, we're going to push the heels on the ground, reverse the motion, and as you extend the knees and the hips, come all the way up on your toes, pull your shoulder blades back and down, and then repeat the motion. And another thing we want to focus on is making sure our knees go the same direction as our toes as we come up and down, protecting our body the entire time. We'll inhale as we go down, we'll exhale as we come up, and we'll put this together into one nice smooth motion, which is going to train our body to eventually be able to absorb impact like the jump squat, but in a way that's so much safer. And finally, running is another incredible activity, but it's high impact, and again, most people do it improperly. Lucky for you, we have one more movement that I want to show you that's going to mirror all the benefits of running and even add a little bit more core strength and teach you how to run with perfect form at the same time. It's called high chair marching. So what you're going to do is grab onto a chair and come into a little bit of a plank position like this. You can also do this on a countertop if you need to, and make sure whatever surface you're leaning against is super sturdy. Now from there, you're going to tuck your pelvis and squeeze your glutes and press your hands out like this while pushing your hands down into the chair like this. When you do this, you should feel your core activate pretty much immediately. Now in that position, stay up on the balls of your feet, and all you're going to do is lift your knee up towards your chest and then come back down, lift your knee up towards your chest and come back down. We're going to start slow and controlled, and when we look down, we want to make sure our knees and our toes are pointed the same direction. And then over time, what we want to do is start speeding up the marching like this, which is going to make the movement more challenging both on your muscles and your cardiovascular system. So practice this slow and controlled at first, and then start to speed it up over time, okay? Now let's get to the follow-along routine. Okay, here's how this 10-minute routine is going to work. You're going to do 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds of rest on the following 3 movements. You're going to start with step jacks. Then you're going to go to fully extended sit-to-stands. And finally, you're going to go to high chair marching. And once you do that, you're going to repeat that for 3 rounds. And like I said, this whole routine's only going to take you about 10 minutes, but watch, because your body is going to feel like it got an incredible workout in just those 10 minutes. All right, make sure you have some water next to you, and a nice place on the floor, a nice sturdy chair to get this done. Otherwise, let's get started with this workout. In 3, 2, 1, and go!
Take a big breath in as you step out and give a big exhale as you step back. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Keep a soft bend in your knees as you go from side to side. Really reach your arms overhead on every rep without shrugging. Three, 2, 1, keep it up! Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Try to keep pace with me while you do this movement. Start each rep of this movement by pushing your butt back and hinging at the hips, not bending through the knee. Be proud that you're here right now. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe in and out as you alternate legs. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this.
Here we go. Let's bring it. Some days, it's just about moving and not stopping.
Squeeze your abs and your glutes and tuck your pelvis. Don't let your back sag. Celebrate every cell in your body working hard. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Take a big breath in as you step out and give a big exhale as you step back. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Keep a soft bend in your knees as you go from side to side. Really reach your arms overhead on every rep without shrugging. 3, 2, 1, keep it up! Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Try to keep pace with me while you do this movement. Start each rep of this movement by pushing your butt back and hinging at the hips, not bending through the knee.
Be proud that you're here right now.
3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe in and out as you alternate legs. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this.
Here we go. Let's bring it. Some days, it's just about moving and not stopping.
Squeeze your abs and your glutes and tuck your pelvis. Don't let your back sag. Celebrate every cell in your body working hard. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Take a big breath in as you step out and give a big exhale as you step back. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Keep a soft bend in your knees as you go from side to side. Really reach your arms overhead on every rep without shrugging. 3, 2, 1, keep it up. Take a big breath in as you go down and give a big exhale as you go up. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this. Try to keep pace with me while you do this movement. Start each rep of this movement by pushing your butt back and hinging at the hips, not bending through the knee.
Be proud that you're here right now.
3, 2, 1, and rest. Breathe in and out as you alternate legs. If this feels too difficult, scale down to this.
Here we go. Let's bring it. Some days, it's just about moving and not stopping.
Squeeze your abs and your glutes and tuck your pelvis. Don't let your back sag. Celebrate every cell in your body working hard. 3, 2, 1, and rest.
Great job. I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute low impact workout routine. Now, if you did, we build 10-minute workouts just like this, but personalized to your body and your goals over at WeShape. And the best part is you can try one of these 10-minute customized routines 100% free. All you've got to do is click link below. Otherwise, feel free to come back to this 10-minute routine anytime you need a fantastic low impact workout.